Hi guys, Diana here. I wanted to show you guys some headphones that I received at a promotional rate. So I was able to test these Sound Intone I65 headphones, and they are sold by Bios Sound, B-I-O-S Sound. So these are wired headphones. They're very attractive. You can see the two tones. So you've got the shiny black and the inner gold, and on the sides here. So they are wired headphones, but the wire is long enough that you don't have to feel constricted to be extremely close to your device. You can see the fitting is a well-constructed gold tip, and it fits either into your phone, your stereo, or your television. And there is an inline volume control. And another additional thing that I thought very interesting is that the wire, it's not actually a wire, it is a cording material. So hopefully you can see on the video. Hopefully I'm holding it close enough. So the headphones they're very comfortable on the ears. The padding helps with the comfort level, and then they kind of have a little give in them as well. So depending on the size of your head, you're able to expand the headphones, and you can do that on both sides there if need be. So the bass is a nice, rich sound. I do recommend the headphones. For the price, you can't beat the price. So I feel that they're a tremendous value for the price. So highly recommended. They would make a good gift. So Christmas is coming up, guys. Think about these for your kids. Thanks for listening.